Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Faith over the opponent. Be aware without fear. Seek safety and health without fear. Seek wisdom without pessimism, confusion, and doubt. Be aware that your focus perpetuates the unfolding and that faith is greater than any opponent. Know that in due time this too shall pass, and everything is working together for my good and humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was perfect. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things from yesterday that you are grateful for right now. I am grateful for my wife bringing home a surprise. I'm grateful for the time I got to spend with my wife. And I'm grateful for the dinner she made. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.